End of transmission.
Alright guys, M79P back at home base here in Effingham. I do have a couple trains on the way. I've got one getting ready to go southbound. He's heading this way. I've also got one getting ready to go westbound. We've got a stack train. Let's see if we can zoom in down there. We've got a stack train waiting here, and we've got a southbound train coming. He'll be here soon. Just coming down the platform here. Set up just right for me. I believe this other one is a stack train. He's heading, like I said, westbound. But let's see what we got coming southbound first on this Saturday. Not as windy today. He's working hard. Provided we do not have a northbound train, we will get this stack train through here. He kind of tipped me off that we might have had something else coming through here because he stopped just before the Willow crossing over there, just before the signals. So we're going to try to catch him next, guys. Stay tuned. We'll have more diamond action coming your way. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we do have a northbound train set up after that southbound train. You can barely hear him. Light horns. Let's take a look and see what we got coming through here, heading now northbound, right after the southbound train. Let's take a look. So just as I thought, southbound, northbound. He's green. coil car there. And like I said, I kind of figured when CSX wasn't moving, we had a northbound train. So there we go. Train 2. Right, so hopefully maybe we'll get a CSX to squeeze through here. It's the only bad thing about rail fanning up in Mattoon is you don't get the CSX. So New York Central used to run through there, ran over the top there in Mattoon, and would have been kind of cool if that was still the case and get 2 lines, but I always enjoy getting the 2 lines. Maybe we'll get a meetup here, guys. All right, stay tuned. We got more action coming from the Diamond. Hey, M79P here at the Diamond. If you like Diamond action, stay tuned. We got more coming your way. All right, we got another train heading this way, northbound. Let's take a look. This will be our second northbound train coming through. Northbound Canadian National again. Getting ready to hit the Diamond. A lot of ring paper coming through here. All right, M79P out. We'll see you on the next video, guys. The old Grand Trunk. I'm loving it.
That's pretty cool.
4906 coming through here. And we did have the Death Star, but
What are they doing right now?
they switched the Death Star out. Yeah. Poor CSX has just been on the wait for quite a while now. Yeah, they're just kind of holding.
She's got a good point.
They're just holding a little bit here.
Oh no. We're missing NPR and Alpha.
I guess they got to come back behind the signal for some reason.
Yeah, they get this.
Yeah.
Oh, Rylan, look, they turned the headlights on.
There we go. That's a good looking GT. CSX that was waiting. It's actually Union Pacific. It's going to be getting off in St. Elmo, heading down to Salem. It's an intermodal. And he's just making his way through town now. He's waited on at least 4 or 5 trains today on the Canadian National line, so he's probably ready to go. There is a train right behind him as well. I don't know if he's in Casey. He may be in Casey, Illinois right now. But he'll be right behind this intermodal, so let's take a look. Let's see what we got rolling through here. He may have a BNSF on him here, possibly. Can't tell. Jump off on the St. Elmo. Down to Salem he goes. Intermodal. Waiting on one more train behind him. And no westbound trains at all. Or I'm sorry, not westbound, no eastbound trains coming out of the west. Like I said, he'd be jumping off in St. Elmo, going down to Salem, and there is no trains coming from the west. The line's dead from the west. We got one more train getting ready to come through here, guys, so stay tuned. He'll be coming out of the east, heading westbound. All right, guys, got another train coming through here. This is the train that was right behind that intermodal heading to St. Elmo. Let's take a look. This might be a big and long manifest. Let's take a look and see what we got coming through here. Rain is holding off. That's good. We got a single unit. Well, we're looking for the DPU. Single leader. There he goes. M79P out. All right, just got the heads up from Austin. We have another train on the way, southbound. One side over here is raining. On the east side, on the west side, it's no rain. So trying to stay out of the elements if I can. Remnants of the old hurricane. But here we go. Let's take a look, see what we've got coming through here. Getting ready to hit the diamond. Southbound. Heavy, heavy, heavy on the CN today. Had a Canadian Pacific on there. I haven't seen one of those in a while. Pretty cool stuff. All right, M79P out. We will check you on the next video, guys. Stay tuned. We should have more. Got a school bus going across the Maple. All right. Stay tuned for more action at the Diamond.
ESX. Equipment defect detector. Milepost 5.3. Track number 2. First hotbox axle 4-8 north. Rail from head of train. End of transmission.
All right, we just had 3 engines move through here. Old school 128. Moving down the line. I've got another train sitting in the old Conrail yard. He's right behind these 3 engines here. See if we'll get a full train. bus. Just crossing over the diamond. Got one more down here. I don't know if he's waiting for him to clear or what's going on, but we will keep an eye on it. Hopefully we'll catch him. Well, actually I hear horns back. Nope, I'm hearing him over to the out to the west. All right, we'll keep an eye on it, see if we get this other guy coming through. Stay tuned.